Look at this expression. We have a seemingly simple question. 5 times, open parenthesis, 4 plus 40 divided by 2, close parenthesis. But here's the interesting part. Many people arrive at the wrong answer because they don't follow the order of operations. Before we find the correct answer, let's examine two common incorrect methods. In the first incorrect method, the person does the addition first. That is, they say, 4 plus 40 equals 44. Then they divide 44 by 2, which gives 22. Finally, they multiply 5 by 22 and get 110. So the answer of this method is 110. But this answer is wrong. Why? Because in mathematics, we cannot perform operations simply from left to right or based on our own preference. There is a specific order for performing operations. Now let's look at another mistake. In this method, the person calculates the division first. 40 divided by 2 equals 20. Then they multiply 5 by 4, which equals 20, and finally 20 plus 20 equals 40. So this method leads us to 40. But this answer is also wrong. So the main question is, what rule determines which operation we should do first? The rule that comes to our aid here is the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a simple way to remember the order of mathematical operations. The letter P stands for parentheses. The letter E stands for exponents. The letters M and D stand for multiplication and division. And finally, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So in short, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Now let's solve the question precisely and according to PEMDAS. Our expression is 5 times, open parenthesis, 4 plus 40 divided by 2, close parenthesis. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must first solve inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we have both addition and division, and we know that division has higher priority than addition. So 40 divided by 2 equals 20, then we add 4 to 20, which gives 24, and finally its multiplication's turn, 5 times 24 equals 120. We don't have 120 among the options, but we have 5 factorial. 5 factorial equals 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and the product of these numbers is 120. So option B is our correct answer. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, please like the video and be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.